Welcome back to the 7 and welcome to another ArchiCAD tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to focus on how to make a Dutch gable roof. So let's begin. First, we're going to create our walls for the data. That's the first one. Activate our wall tool. Enter 6,000 in this side. 5,000 across. 1,000. Okay. Now we have our wall setup. So next thing we're going to activate our roof tool. Once we have our roof tool, we choose multi-plane geometry method and construction method is going to be rectangular. Okay. So the first thing we do here, we pick an exterior corner to the other diagonal exterior corner, we place our roof and we repeat it again by placing another roof on top of this roof. We click once. Okay. Now the next thing we do is we're going to have to reduce the edges of the other roof, the overhangs. So we select the first roof, we change the pitch to 30 degrees, change the overhang offset to 0, and this leaves us with a smaller roof on the inside. And we click on this exterior blue line of the roof, click once, there's this dialog box up here, and then select custom plane settings, click again, select gable, and we press OK. To do it for both sides, select, click once on the blue line, go to custom plane settings, click once, and select gable again. Okay, right. So now we're going to see how it looks in 3D. As you can see, in 3D we've created our 3D, but it's a little bit messy. So you can see that I'll be using the elements operation tool. So to activate the elements operation tool, the first thing we have to do is we have to go to the design panel here on our ArchiCAD. We select solid element operation. We choose the first let's change it to 30. Let's decrease the pitch, and then we select a smaller Dutch gable. Edit the target. Select the bigger roof and give the operation. Operation type is to subtraction, and then we hit execute. Right. You see, that is now done. It made the roof much smoother. So we go back to our 2D plane now. We come and select the Dutch gable again. We click over the blue line, and the dialog panel appears again, and this time we select offset edge. Right. This is the size of the table, so enter 1,000 on both sides. One side enter 1,000, go back to the other side. Offset edge again. We offset this edge by 1,000 still. Press enter. Okay, now if you look at it in 3D, our top table is now smaller. It looks more like a touch table is now. Just like this smaller. Okay. Now we're going to need to cover up those openings on the touch table, so we have to add our roll key. Activate our roll key. Right. So back in 3D, go to design, activate our roll key. And we come in here, we click this corner, there's our wall, all the way until the other side. Okay, as you can see, uh, wall is on inside the bench, so press Ctrl D and move it around. And this is there we go. Now, what tool is entered? What tool is entered the building? So we're going to edit the target, edit around, select the smaller gable inside here, and that is the operator. Operation target to subtract the upward exclusion, and then execute. Yeah. So see that it is remove these elements and replace it with these two top elements. So in order to remove this wall element, click on the smaller type table list, that is the target, select the bigger and that is the operator, and then we choose operation type of subtraction and we click execute. And yeah, let's execute. Nice, simple and easy. And that is how we create the project. Let us see those in ArchiCAD. Thank you, and I hope you okay, this is where we're going to end our tutorial. Keep following the academy testing for more cool and smart design tips like this one.